go. Hi guys! This is my video. And I'm very cold to see. And I'm very cold to see. And let's open this pack like I opened the pack. Video, I'm wearing. And this is my video. I'm wearing shorts. So let's go. And this is, and I'm sorry, this is a bracelet maker. Bracelets. Hand bracelets. Hand bracelets. Okay. Oh, I found the opening. It's right behind there. I found it. Go deep down. And I'm very excited to open this. See it? Okay. Here they are. Now it's opening. Oh. And let's get back to this. Dump all this out, and we got purple, blue, green, and pink, my favorite. No. Let's start opening the small thing. Oh, there's a little one. And I found an opening. Put it back. Here is a whole set. And that's it. And Francis, I bet don't want to see me wearing shorts. Guys, I am just very cold. I can't. Okay. It's blowing that the air conditioner is up. Very cold. And that's all.
It did it right.
And let's open the packs. I'm gonna go get a pack of scissors. I'm gonna hurry, alright? Sit right there. Next we are doing these. So let's get started. Hi guys, this is Anna Caron, and today this is Brad's 5. You know the channel Brad's 5. It shut down till Christmas. I'm unboxing this. Remember? Check out him if you don't know who this is. Well, yeah, anyways. This is Brad's Flag, and I got skateboards more. Yeah, I know. I use them. And I got them! It's. And here Hey! 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 I'm not. You can't even see this.
I got sand in my mouth.
Tricks, kick flips, whatever you want. Pop pivots. Really hard to
Yeah, but they're fake. They're fake.
Yeah, like
they're not real.
Something.
Here. I'll film you in a while.
Let's open it. Let's open it. Yeah! Ow. That actually hurt.
And there we go. Let's take it out, bro. Show the people how to do it.
Here's the first one. Guys.
And here's
the first one.
First one. Okay, let's look at the back. I didn't film the back. The black is just the back is just black. See? Black. Look at the front.
Second one. This one's a little misplaced or something.
Yeah, and here are the needles. Bro, this is different. I lose them on an accident. And here are the
There's the axles and
baby needles, brothers.
And here are the chucks and the wheels and stuff.
And let's try to get these out. And Okay, that was our video only unboxing.
No, I'm still not done.
Well, we unbox this today. Just hide. Kidding. Why did you? I'm kidding. Oh yeah, that show. It's called.
Oh yeah, that show. It's called That Hot Kidding. I love that show, don't you?
Yeah.
Girl just walked in and she was like, "Hey, I'm hot kidding."
Yeah, because there's no such stuff like that. Write a video and bye. 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 And bye.
Bye. Wait.
She's magic. Watch this. There we go.